Hey guys, what is up? It's Emran here. Are you ready to unlock ultimate fluency in English? Today, I'm hooking you up with 5 advanced English phrases that'll make you sound like a total pro. Imagine impressing your friends, your teacher, maybe even your crush with your newfound vocabulary. Want to sound more fluent and sophisticated in English? Stick around and let's level up your vocabulary. Okay, first up, let's talk about the word difficult. Instead of just saying, "Oh, this is so difficult," why not spice things up a bit? Try swapping it out for a tough nut to crack. It shows you're not afraid of a little hard work. And let's be real, a tough nut to crack just sounds way more interesting than plain old difficult, right? Plus, it kinda makes you sound like a detective in a movie or something, which is always cool. So, next time you're struggling with something, remember, it's not just difficult, it's a tough nut to crack. You got this. Alright, moving on to our next word swap. Instead of just saying, "I understand," try this on for size. I'm starting to get the hang of it. It just rolls off the tongue better, don't you think? It's perfect for those moments when you're learning a new skill. Get the hang of it implies that you're making progress, that you're on your way to mastering this new thing. It's like, yeah, I might not be an expert yet, but I'm getting there. So ditch the understand and embrace the get the hang of it. Okay, let's be real, we've all been there. You're dragging yourself through the day, your eyelids feel like they weigh a ton, and all you can think about is crawling into bed. Every task feels like a mountain, and even the simplest things seem impossible. Now, you could just say, "I'm tired," and everyone would get it. It's a universal feeling, right? But where's the fun in that? Why settle for the ordinary when you can be a bit more expressive? Instead, level up your vocabulary game and say, "I'm feeling worn out." It adds a bit of flair to your expression. It just hits different, you know? It conveys a deeper sense of what you're experiencing. It's like you're saying, "Hey, I haven't just been sitting around watching Netflix all day. I've actually been doing things, putting in effort, and now I'm feeling the effects. My body and mind are telling me they've been through a lot." It adds a touch of drama, a hint of exhaustion, and maybe even a little bit of pride. It's like saying, "I've earned this tiredness." Like, yeah, I'm worn out, but that just means I've been living my life to the fullest. Every bit of effort has been worth it. So next time you're feeling the weight of the day on your shoulders, remember, you're not just tired, you're feeling worn out. And that's something to be proud of. Alright, let's talk about decisions, people. You know those moments when you're faced with a choice and you're just like, "Ugh, this is a tough one." Yeah, we've all been there. It's a universal experience, right? Now you could just say, "I need to decide," which is perfectly fine. It's simple and to the point. But why blend in when you can stand out? Why settle for ordinary when you can be extraordinary? Instead, try this power phrase on for size. I need to make a judgment call. It's a game changer. It sounds so much more official, more professional. Like you're not just randomly picking something, you're actually weighing your options. You're considering all the angles. It's the kind of phrase that commands respect, you know? It shows that you're thoughtful and deliberate, like, "Excuse me, I need a moment to make a judgment call about this very important matter." It gives you that extra moment to think. So, next time you're faced with a decision, big or small, ditch the decide and embrace the make a judgment call. It's a subtle shift, but it makes a world of difference. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about emphasis. You know, when you really want to drive home a point, to make it clear that something is a big deal, it's crucial to choose your words wisely. Instead of just saying important, try this on for size, of great significance. This phrase carries more weight and can make your message stand out. It's like dropping the mic of vocabulary, people. It leaves a lasting impression. It's like you're saying, "Listen up, folks, this is not something to be taken lightly. This is serious business." You want your audience to understand the gravity of the situation. It adds weight and gravity to your words, making them impossible to ignore. Your audience will feel the importance of what you're saying. Imagine saying, "This decision is of great significance." It commands attention and respect. People are going to stop and listen, trust me. They'll recognize the importance of your message. So next time you really want to emphasize something, ditch the important and embrace the of great significance. Your words will have a stronger impact. And there you have it, my friends. 5 advanced English phrases to instantly level up your vocabulary game. Now go forth and impress everyone with your newfound eloquence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways to master your English. See you in the next one. Peace out.